You searched how to buy shares of National Vision Holdings, Inc. This company runs eye care stores and eyewear brands. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker I. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To buy, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After you register, you will be asked to verify the account, which usually requires an identity document, and to add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker EYE to find National Vision Holdings, Inc. Then select the matching listing to make sure you locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm it is the right asset. To place an order, choose the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in the portfolio once the trade is confirmed. For the example link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform.